Hey, how's it going? It is Coach Jay Heiler here, and what we're going to be doing is the seated push-up, okay? Now, for the seated push-up, literally what we're trying to do is challenge the depressors of the shoulder blades, okay? So with that being said, you also get tricep work, back work, all of that stuff. But the reason I'm actually doing this in a simple rolly chair today is because I want to convince you that you can do this at your desk at home, since we're now in the COVID-19 situation, or that you can do it at work, okay? This is very simple. All you're going to do is from this position here, you can see that my hands are down on my seat, okay? All I'm gonna do from a bent elbow position, chest up nice and tall, shoulders down and back, I'm simply going to depress the shoulders as I lift my body, okay? Depression of the shoulders means sending them down, okay? Again, we're simply going to keep the shoulder blades retracted, chest up nice and tall. You can have some light tension in your abdominals, feet shoulder width distance, and back down. Again, at the very top, we're really trying to shove those shoulder blades down and back. So you're really challenging the depression or the downward movement of the shoulder blades, as well as the scapula, okay? So all we're gonna do here is we're gonna go through 5 total repetitions. Exhale up, inhale down, 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 down. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to start with 5 repetitions. And as you get stronger, I want you to build from there. Anywhere between 20 seconds all the way up to 2 minutes is going to be good muscular endurance for you. Now, in the beginning, you may feel this in different places. For example, the weakest link in your chain is what's going to feel it the most. So if you have weak triceps, you might feel like, oh my gosh, freaking triceps are on freaking fire, right? You might feel that. That's normal, okay? Or if you have weak back muscles, you might feel that your back is on fire from simply retracting your shoulder blades down and back as you're doing the depressed movement, okay? Because remember, through this entire thing, we're keeping our shoulder blades together and then we're releasing. Keeping the shoulder blades tight together, chest up, boom, and sending the shoulders away from the ears, okay? So yes, you can absolutely feel some back tension, as well as trap tension. If you have weak trapezius muscles up here, you may feel it there. That might fatigue first. But no matter what, make sure you do the form exactly the way that I have aligned here today.